Margin channel. Everyone must have problems in their life, whether it's a problem in the family, household, career, friendship, education, or the environment. The problems in each person are of course different, as well as the way to solve them or just to restore enthusiasm. One of the easiest ways to lighten one's emotional burden due to life's problems or failures is to read various motivational quotes for those who are upset in love, career, household, family, romance, and friendship. To be able to help you rebuild your life motivation when you are experiencing problems, here is a collection of wise quotes that can get you excited about life again. 1. Don't give up. When there is a will, there is a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. Having dreams or goals is an important step towards success in achieving what you want in life. Every desire must have a way, every problem must have a solution. However, to find it is not always easy, some are even very difficult, but still the key is never to give up. 2. Doing things according to ability and strengths. The right chair for the right person. The right chair for the right person. Everyone has their own strengths and abilities. So it's important to find out what you want first, for example in a career, so you can get a job that suits your talents and abilities, which of course can make it easier for you to achieve the success you want. 3. Never waste time. Time is what we want most and what we use worst. Time is the thing we crave the most, but the least we can use it well. Don't be a person who wastes the time that has been given according to the portion, for example time for work. Make the best use of it so that later when you're done you can make the most of the time to rest. 4. Happiness must be earned. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Happiness is not something that has been made, it comes from what you have done. Happiness can take many forms, one of which is success, but success is not something that comes alone. You have to go through various processes to achieve this, such as studying, working, experiencing failure and other things to be able to experience true success. 5. Regret only brings next regret. You can either experience the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The choice is yours. You can choose to feel the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The choice is yours. In achieving success in either a career or education, there is no such thing as an easy and smooth road. You will definitely experience failure in the middle of the process of achieving it. However, instead of making it a reason to give up, you can choose to make it a reason to keep going and be braver to try again. 6. Do the best you can right now. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Anonymous. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. What happens to you in the future is largely determined by what you have done now. So if you are currently studying, then study as best as you can. Because effort never betrays results. 7. Don't be afraid of failure. Take the risk or lose the chance. Take risks or lose opportunities. Every decision will definitely be followed by a risk. The bigger the decision in your life, the bigger the risk you will face. However, if the shadow of risk blocks your desire to grow, then you can never grow forever. 8. Failure is an important step in reaching success. Success is going from failure to failure without losing your enthusiasm. Success is one failure leading to another failure without losing your enthusiasm. The best learning is learning from mistakes. By having failed several times in your next life, you will learn and be able to take the next step better because you already have experience in dealing with mistakes and solving them. 9. Learn from other people's mistakes. Learn from the mistakes of others. You cannot live long enough to do all the fault yourself. Learn from other people's mistakes. You can't live long enough to make all the mistakes yourself. One of the most appropriate ways to improve self-quality is not only learning from your own mistakes. Studying the experiences, failures and mistakes of others can also give you valuable lessons. Understand how they bounce back from the failures they get, correct the mistakes they make and how they improve their quality of life from the bad experiences that have been made. 10. Never give up. Our greatest pride is never fail, but bounce back every time we fall. The greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. People who have never failed in their life means not really living their life well. Everyone must experience failure in their life to be able to learn to get back up, improve themselves and improve self-quality. Do you know the difference between education and experience? So don't be afraid of failure. Education is when you read the fine print. Experience is what you get when you don't get it. Life is not a theory that you read in a book, but a real experience that you have to live. Life offers various possibilities, from failure to success. So, to be able to understand life better, or what you are doing better right now, It's not enough just to read it, you have to experience it yourself and get things that you can't get from just reading something. Namely, experience. Always grateful is the key to happiness. From various phases of life. The various wise words or motivational quotes that you have read so far are filled with various sentences, and the meaning has only one purpose, namely to teach you how to live life wisely, never give up and always be optimistic. Be grateful for everything that has happened to you so far, be it failure or success.